Hey, hey, yeah. Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. Yes, yes. What's going on? How you guys doing? Listen, always say a prayer. ASAP, I'll pray for you, you pray for me. Always say a prayer. I'll pray for you, beloved, you pray for me. 24 hours in a day. Hear what I say. Give God some praise each and every day. Just 60 seconds to get your blessing. Ooh. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Start all over again. Ooh. Give praise to Shekinah glory, my friend, and them. Jehovah Jireh and Nisi higher. Elohim, if you know what I mean. Eleon ain't never left you alone. When you need to be healed, Rapha, he's the Lord that heals. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on in the world today? So many things happening, you hear what I say. It's a crying shame. People losing their brain, being laid out dead. You hear what I said. And I don't know what to do, but just pray for you. Bow down on your knees and ask him to forgive you for everything that be. It's going so wrong. Lord, don't call me home. Ooh, I ain't ready to see your face. I want to keep living on your amazing grace. Protect me and my family, my friends and associates, because they don't know what it does to you to make it through. Lord, I know